So we're here today at the Fairfax County Government Center for a connected and autonomous vehicle event, which they're using to promote and provide understanding of the technology to the people in the community, local government. They brought together a panel of industry, universities, as well as government to talk about that today. Autonomous vehicles are basically driverless cars that can run on their own. A connected vehicle is a technology that's used to connect vehicles with each other or with infrastructure so that they can communicate and know about each other and react accordingly. So we've set up today here at Fairfax County a demo system of connected vehicles, and in that we show both V2V or vehicle to vehicle technology and V2I or vehicle to infrastructure technology. So the V2V is basically two cars communicating. Right? In this case, we have one car coming from the side and we get a warning saying that a car's coming and we can react accordingly. In the second demonstration, a car up ahead has hit its brakes and we get a warning immediately. The second part of it is V2I or vehicle to infrastructure. In this case, we're getting warnings if we're going over a certain speed, as we enter a construction zone or a curve area. We're also getting information where we're interacting with the traffic light. So the traffic light is not only telling us its status, like it's green, red, or yellow, but also how long till it switches, and the driver can act accordingly, either take his foot off the brakes or slow down appropriately to make it through the light. It's important to have expositions like we're having today to inform the public about this connected and autonomous or driverless technology that's coming, because it's going to have a huge impact on their lives in the not too distant future.